many people think of me. Sorry, I didn't know where I was at. I'm going to skip that part. Okay, so are you ready to use your cleanser?
No.
Let's talk about the next step for each skincare line. Oh, so you already used your cleanser. See, anybody can do Mary Kay. Okay. So, and that's the fun part is, see, I told you guys are here to have fun. So we're going to have fun and you're probably going to laugh a little bit. So step 2, and before we get going on that, if you look at the next couple pages in the script, you'll see that there is the Miracle Set, and then there is the Time Wise Repair, and then there is the Acne, and then there is the Botanicals. So whatever class you're doing, if you're doing all 4 and you have a large class, then you'll have to hit on all of them. But if you're just doing the Miracle Set like we're going to do tonight, that's the only thing that I'm going to be talking about, okay? So step number 2 is our Miracle Day and Night Solution. These 2 products you're going to try. They're going to be in step number 2 and in step number 3. I always say that these 2 are married as they work together and they fight the signs of aging in your skin. So they're not moisturizers, they're strictly anti-aging products, okay? So you're going to go ahead and you're going to take number 2 and you're going to put that on half of your face, and then you're going to take number 3 and you're going to put that on the other half, okay? And then I'll tell you a little bit about what the products do. So the Day Solution has a 35 SPF sunscreen in it, which will help protect your skin from the UVA rays and the UVB rays. And this product also relaxes expression lines and softens the skin, okay? Then in number 3, the Night Solution that you're using, it has little beads, and we call those the NutriBeads, and they are filled with vitamins and peptides that fight aging while you sleep. So basically, when you pump the Night Solution, you put it on your face, you're getting a fresh supply of vitamins, and it's reversing the aging process of your skin, and then any daytime damages, that might have been prepared. Okay, so step number 3 is our Time Wise Age Fighting Moisturizer. So that will be in your number 4. So you guys can go ahead and you can put that right on top of the other products. It doesn't need to dry. So the final step in the Miracle Set is the Time Wise Age Fighting Moisturizer. Like our cleanser, it comes in 2 formulas, and we do offer the moisturizer in a sunscreen as well. So for those that maybe need a little bit of extra sunscreen, we do have that. So you're just going to take that and smooth it all over your face. And our moisturizer, sometimes people, like for oily people, they'll say, why would I put a moisturizer on? I got tons of oil. Well, actually, by putting a moisturizer that is combination to oily, it kind of then keeps the oils, underneath, and then you don't shine all day like I used to. The day treatment does have a 35 SPF full spectrum screen. Oh, that's the body firm. Never mind. Okay, step number 4. Okay, so we are going to go to our eye creams, okay? You can have your Miracle Set, Botanical, and Clearproof customers all use the eye firming cream, okay? And then if there's anybody that has sensitive skin, what we're going to have you do is just kind of pat underneath the eye and then out here to the side. But if you don't have sensitive skin, in number 5, you're going to take your ring finger and you're just going to scoop that up, and you're going to go underneath of your eye and out here to the side, and then you can even go up here by your eyebrow area, because it actually will firm your skin, okay? Let's finish our skin regimen with the Time Wise Firming Eye Cream. Does anyone know why you need to protect specifically, why you need a product specifically designed for your skin around the eyes? I do. The skin under the eye is a third less thick than anywhere on your face, and we talked about that earlier, today. And you also don't have any oil glands underneath of your eyes as well. So it shows the signs of aging more quickly than in any other area. It also helps with dark circles and fine lines and wrinkles around your eye area. So what I also tell people too is think of your eyes like tissue paper. Be very delicate with them. So the skin on your face, the skin on your lips, and the skin around your eyes are all 3, have 3 different textures. Okay? Okay, the next thing we're going to do is satin lips. So here it says, do I have any chapstick addicts here tonight? And it usually does say that. So we're going to talk about a cure for dry chapped lips. It's called our Satin Lip Set. And part of the reason chapstick comes in a 12-pack is because what it does is it really creates an addiction. I never met anybody that uses our Satin Lip Set more than 2 to 3 times a day. And you guys will know that, you know, when you guys try it on your product, or when you try it on your lips. In some of the products that are out on the market, when you apply the chapstick, it actually pulls the moisture out of your lips, where our balm, when you put it in, it gets down into your lips and then it stays there, okay? So the Satin Lips has 2 parts to it, okay? The first you only use 2 to 3 times a week, and it's called our mask. So you guys are going to take your facial cloth and you're just going to kind of moisten your lips. And then in number 6 is your mask, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to take that and you're going to go in little circular motions on your lips. And it's going to feel sandy, sort of like you just kissed the beach. So maybe don't take a drink till we have this off. And then as you guys are applying that on your lips, it is actually going to stay on for about 1.5 minutes, and it's going to dry. Okay? So while that dries, you guys are going to go ahead and you're going to grab your cell phones and pens, and we're going to play a little game. So you're going to grab this sheet here. And it says rewards for you. So does anyone have any friends or family members who are overworked, underpampered, and could use a special gift? That would be me as well. And does anybody love to earn free product? So that's why we created this sheet that we have. It's called the Beauty of Friendship. Okay. Simply what you guys are going to do while your mask dries is you're going to go ahead and you're going to write people's names down in the squares. Make sure you're writing your name up at the top, and then you'll write people's names down in the squares. So what I'll do is I will give them a call on your behalf, Jeanette, and I'll say, Sarah, this is Stacy with Mary Kay, and we have a mutual friend, Jeanette. She gave me your name at a Mary Kay party, and you're going to receive $10 at your free pampering session. And Jeanette wrote you down in the lip gloss box. So once you get together and facial with me, then Jeanette will receive the lip gloss. Okay? So the first person to fill all of the squares tonight is going to receive a gift from me. So you guys can go ahead and start. Now for the consultants, the biggest thing is when you first start this, a lot of people, they get nervous about asking for referrals, okay? And since I've been in Mary Kay, I kind of ran out of family and friends after 10 years. And so this is the lifeline of my business, is asking for referrals. And as long as the customer has fallen in love with you, they will gladly give you names, you know, of their family and friends. And I always make them feel welcome, knowing that, you know what, I'm not going to stalk them. I'm just probably going to give them a short little text and offer them a free pampering session. But what this also does is it's great for a guest list, you know, for them. We'll talk about that at the end tonight too, if they want to book a party when they're done, so that way they can get some free stuff. Okay, so what you guys can go ahead and do is you can take your facial cloth and you can wipe off that mask. Just kind of set your list to the side. And I never put the balm in the tray because I'm always afraid I'm going to lose it. So you can just give me one of your fingers, and we're just going to put some balm on there. There you go. And then you can just apply this right onto your lips. And this is called our Kissable Satin Lips.